Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Maaz and you are watching Mother Fashion YouTube channel. Join us as we explore the fashion sense and lifestyle of Melania Trump, the 45th First Lady of United States. From her early days as a model to her current role as a First Lady, Melania's life has been a testament for her elegance, poise and dedication to her craft. In this video, we will take a closer look at Melania's early life and modeling career, her iconic fashion movement as First Lady, her favorite designer and style inspiration, her philanthropic work and charitable efforts, her life in the White House and her role as a mother and wife. So get ready for a journey filled with fashion, inspiration and glimpse into the life of one of the most iconic women in the world. Melania's fashion sense is renowned for its elegance and sophistication. She has worn iconic designs by Dolce & Gabbana, Chanel and Versace. Her style is a perfect blend of European chic and American glamour. Melania's philanthropic work includes supporting children's hospitals and anti-bullying initiatives. She is a devoted wife and mother and her family is always her top priority. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more fashion and lifestyle content. Join the conversation and share your favorite Melania's moments with us. Get ready for more inspiration, fashion and grace. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my channel and click the notification bell. Melania's impact on the White House and the world will never be forgotten. Her legacy will continue to inspire and influence fashion, philanthropy and kindness for generations to come. Melania's dedication to her family and her country is a true testament to her strength and character. We are forever grateful for the impact Melania Trump has had on our lives and the world. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content. Join the conversation and share your favorite Melania Trump moments with us. Get ready for more inspiration, fashion and grace. Thanks for watching again. Melania Trump is a true iconic of style, grace and kindness. Her life and legacy will always be an inspiration to us all. We hope you enjoyed this video to review to Melania Trump. Please share your thoughts and memories with us. Melania Trump will always be remembered as a true First Lady of United States. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more fashion and lifestyle content. Melania's fashion is a perfect blend for classic and modern, making her a timeless icon in the fashion world. Her philanthropic work and charitable efforts have made a significant impact on the world, inspiring others to follow in her footsteps. We appreciate your watch and hope you will join us again soon for more fashion and lifestyle content. Thanks.